See the problem which is asking in the gate from the analog communication. A message signal m of t equal to cos 2000 pi t plus 4 cos 4000 pi t modulates the carrier c of t equal to cos 2 pi fc, where fc value 1 megahertz to produce an AM signal. For demodulating generated AM signal using an envelope detector, time constant RC of the circuit should satisfy. What is the best choice for time constant of envelope detector? The best choice for time constant of the envelope detector is 1 by Fc, far less than Rc, far less than 1 by Fm. What is the Fc value given? 1 mega. 1 by 1 mega, 1 microsecond, far less than Rc, far less than 1 by Fm. Whenever multiple values are given, take the maximum value. Maximum value is 2k. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Kilo means millisecond. I think see the options already there. Option B. List 1, list of attributes. List 2, list of modulation scheme. Match the attribute to the modulation system that best meets power efficient FM. Why, sir? Because the power taken by carrier before modulation, after frequency modulation is converting into side bands, but none of the technique is going on. Most bandwidth efficient of voice, whenever there is a voice, SSBSC modulation, less bandwidth, less power. Simplest receiver, amplitude modulation, envelope detector. Bandwidth efficient with significant DC component. DC means zero. Which signal is having zero frequency? Video. Whenever video, VS. I think you can match the options. A signal m of t shown is applied to both phase modulator with Kp as a phase constant and frequency modulator with Kf as frequency constant. Having the same carrier frequency, both are having same carrier frequency. The ratio of Kp by Kf in radian per H. What is the condition for the same? Maximum phase deviation. For the same maximum phase deviation. Are you getting my point or not? See. Here we need to calculate Kp by Kf. Any formulas you might be seen in classroom for Kp by Kf? No one will tell you. Whenever if you don't have any direct formula, always go with the condition. What? Always go with the condition. What is the condition? Both are having same maximum phase deviation. Given m of t is not a single tone, general. So take the both general expressions for FM and PM. What is the general expression for PM? General expression for PM is AC cos 2 pi FCT plus Kp into m of t. What is the general equation for FM? Is AC into cos 2 pi FCT plus 2 pi Kf into integral m of t dt. He is saying that both are having same maximum phase deviation. What is the maximum phase deviation? Maximum value of phase. What is the phase in any equation? Term added to 2 pi FCT. Term added to 2 pi FCT is called phase. So, delta phi in both expressions are same. This is PM, FM. What is the delta phi? Maximum of phase value Kp into m of t. Here maximum value of phase 2 pi Kf integral m of t dt. Kp constant outside, maximum value of m of t. See the signal too. 2 pi Kf constant. What is the meaning of integral? Area. If you calculate it as a periodic signal, analyzation of over one period is sufficient. Over one period, total area is 0. If you take only positive cycle, 2 2s are 4. Total cycle 0. Negative cycle minus 4. Maximum value I need 4. So finally I want Kp by Kf. 2 2 cancel. Remaining is 4 pi. One of the excellent problem on the basic standards. Option B correct. In double sideband full carrier means AM. AM transmission system, modulation index is doubled, mu value doubled. Then the ratio of sideband power to carrier power. Is asking sideband power to carrier power. What is the sideband power? PC into mu square by 2. Carrier power PC. Total sideband is by 2. Single sideband means by 4 you have to write. What is this value? Remember also. Mu square by 2. What is happening? Mu is doubled. But a square na? 2 square will be 4. Increases by 4 times. Consider an FM signal. F of t equal to cos 2 pi fct plus beta 1 sin 2 pi f1 t plus beta 2 sin 2 pi f2 t. The maximum deviation of the instantaneous frequency from the carrier frequency fc is. He given some options there. So maximum deviation from the instantaneous frequency means delta f. Common procedure, maximum value of kf into m of t. That is how to get kf m of t. In the instantaneous frequency, the term added to fc called kf into m of t. How to get fi? 1 by 2 pi into d by dt of total angle of the angle modulated signal. So that is 1 by 2 pi into d by dt of total angle. That is 2 pi fct plus beta 1 sine 2 pi f1 t plus beta 2 sine 2 pi f2 t. Differentiate 2 pi cancel. Fc d by dt of t is 1. If I write this one differentiation, 2 pi f1 will come. Already 2 pi cancelled. Remaining is beta 1 f1. Differentiation of sine is cos. Are you following or not? Plus differentiate one more time. 2 pi f2, 2 pi cancel. Beta 2 f2 cos 2 pi f2. The term added to fc called kf into m of t. What is delta f? Maximum value of this. What is the maximum value of a cos plus b sine? Not sine. A cos f1 plus b cos f2. Different frequency, same function. Is nothing but what is that? A plus b. That is beta 1 f1 plus beta 2 f2. This is the delta f, maximum frequency deviation, option A. See, number of times this question came. Common procedure. In the figure, m of f is the Fourier transform of message signal m of t, where a is 100 and b is 40. Given v of t equal to cos 2 pi fct and w of t equal to cos 2 pi fc plus at, where fc greater than a, the cutoff frequencies for both filters are fc. Now he given some block diagram m of f. What is asking? The bandwidth of the signal at the output of a filter means the bandwidth of s of t is asking. For our easy of understanding, let me take here v1, here v2, here v3. I got my point. What is v1? That is, what is v1 of f? v1 of f is nothing but m of t multiplied by some v of t. V of t is cos 2 pi fct. So multiplied by cos signal of frequency fc. Any signal multiplied by cos frequency of fc, spectrum shifted to fc. So 0 value is fc. So this value will become fc plus b, fc plus a. This side fc minus b, fc minus a, fc minus a. Same will be shifted to minus fc na. Are you following or not? Minus fc minus of minus plus b, minus fc minus of minus plus a. Minus fc minus b, minus fc minus a. Same shifted to fc as well as minus fc. Given to high pass filter of cutoff frequency fc na. So high pass filter will have all the components above fc. So what is the high pass filter output? I told V2. What is V2 above fc? So it allows from fc plus b, fc plus a. Minus fc minus b, minus fc minus a. Next, given to another multiplier of what is the frequency? fc plus a. And this spectrum is shifted to this. If you are not understanding that, add and subtract. So, what is V3 of f? Add one time, subtract another time. First time I am adding. How much? Carrier frequency, which is fc plus a. Add. Minus fc plus fc. Cancelled. Minus a plus a. Cancelled. 0. Next, minus fc plus fc. Cancelled. A minus b. A is larger, so a minus b. Next, fc plus fc. 2fc. A plus b. Next, fc plus fc. 2fc. A plus a. 2a. Same thing will be on negative side. Minus of a minus b minus 2fc minus a plus b minus 2fc minus a minus b. This is given to low pass filter, cutoff frequency fc. So it allows all the components below fc. So what is V4? V4 is nothing but s. So what is s of f? Less than fc. What are the things are there? Minus, sorry, this is a plus b, sorry, a minus b. This is minus of a minus b. Then what is the bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but we know highest frequency minus lowest. Highest value 100 means a value 100, not highest. A value 100, b value 40, lowest value 0, so 60. So bandwidth of the signal at the output of a filter is 100 minus 40, 60. Sorry, 60 Hz. Simple question. Number of times these models are asking on gate. They will give you some filters, some multipliers asking about to output. Simple, any signal multiplied with cos function shifted to its frequency. Shifted means add one time, subtract another time. Clear? Consider a sinusoidal modulation of an AM system. Assuming no over modulation, the maximum and minimum values of envelope 3 and 1. And what is asking? The modulation index asking. What is the mu formula? A max minus A minimum by A max plus A minimum. A max is 3, A minimum is 1. 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 2 by 4, 1 by 2 is asking value only. So 1 by 2 percentage means into 100, 50%. Simple question. 1 mark in gate 50 they ask. A message signal m of t equal to am sin 2 pi fmt is fed to a phase of a carrier AC cos 2 pi fct. To get the modulated signal y of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus m of t. Full stop. the bandwidth of y of t. He given some 4 options given. Substitute the m of t there. What is the phase modulated signal? You will get AC into cos 2 pi fct plus AM sin 2 pi fmt. What is actually the phase modulated signal? We know SPM of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus beta means beta p cos 2 pi fmt. Don't bother about the phase shifts. In place of beta here AM is there. What is the bandwidth formula for PM? Generally wideband only. 2 into beta p plus 1 into FM. That is 2 into beta p is AM plus 1 into FM. Means I can say it depends upon both AM and FM. Simple question. By substituting that m of t value here, calculates now bandwidth. In the system shown in figure, m of t is a low pass signal with bandwidth omega hs. The frequency response of a band pass filter h of f is shown in figure 2. Figure 1 is system, figure 2 is band pass filter characteristics. It is desired that output z of t equal to only 10x of t. The maximum value of omega in hs should be strictly less than. To make z of t is 10x of t, what is the maximum value of omega? First draw the spectrum of m of t. Spectrum of m of t, let's call as m of f. I am taking some triangular shape, any shape you can take, and here the bandwidth of m of f, that is limited to omega. If you are not interested with the triangular shape, anyone you can take, student. And what is the input we are giving to amplifier? X of t. Can you draw x of f characteristics? What is x of f there? M of t multiplying with cos. Any signal multiplying with cos, its spectrum is shifted to that value. 1200. This side minus 1200. This is 1200 plus omega. 1200 minus omega. Same. Minus 1200 minus of minus plus omega. Minus 1200 minus omega. Simply shifting to Fc minus Fc. Fc value is 1200 because this is omega divided by 2 pi. This is given to the amplifier. Output is y of t. Can you draw y of f? If you see the y of f, what is the first term? Don't bother about the amplitude. X of t. X of t will have x of f. This value 1200. 1200 plus omega. 1200 minus omega. Minus 1200 minus 1200 minus of minus plus minus 1200 minus omega. Next term is x square. Remember, x square of t can be written as x of t into x of t. X of t into x of t in frequency domain, x of f convolution with x of f. Whenever two signals are convolved, always lower limit is sum of the two lower limits, upper limit is sum of the two upper limits. So, after adding those two signals, listen. Suppose if x of t having frequency components from minus omega to plus omega, x square will have minus 2 omega to plus 2 omega. X cube will have minus 3 omega to plus 3 omega, like that. Follow. So obviously x square will be multiplied with 2. So this is 2400 plus 2 into omega, 2 omega. This is 2400 minus 2 omega. Similar will be on negative side. What is saying that output should be only 10x of t, means is asking output should only be this term. Means band pass filter should not pass. when this band pass filter should not pass whenever if that 1700 value is less than or equal to 2400 minus 2 omega, means the upper cutoff frequency of this filter less than or equal to this value, then it won't be passed. So I can say 2 omega less than or equal to 2400 minus 1700 is 700. Then omega value less than or equal to 350. Less than or equal to 350 means maximum value is 350. So here you have to type 350 already given in H's. Simple question of drawing the spectrums. You don't want this term, so it should not pass. When it should not pass, this value is less than or equal to this amount. Consider the signal S of t equal to m of t cos 2 pi f ct plus m cap sin 2 pi f ct, where m cap denotes Hilbert transform of m of t. The bandwidth of m of t very small compared to fc, means generally message signal bandwidth or frequencies are less compared to carrier. The signal S of t is high pass signal, low pass, band pass and double sideband suppressed carrier. If you see the given expression, what is the given expression exactly? In the middle plus is there. So the given expression is exactly SSBSC with lower sideband. So it is a modulated signal. Blindly, every modulated signal is a band pass signal. You can see every modulator last block is band pass filter because every modulator existed in a specified band. Suppose if you feel message bandwidth is omega, this is SSBSC with lower sideband. How the SSBSC with lower sideband? Any shape you can take. It is having components Fc minus omega to Fc. Any modulated signal will exist in a specified band. So every modulated signal is a band pass filter. Of course, this is a band pass signal. For a super heterodyne receiver, intermediate frequency is 15 mega and the local oscillator frequency is 3.5 giga. If the frequency of a received signal, he told clearly, greater than local oscillator frequency, then the image frequency in megahertz is. What is the image frequency formula? Fsi equal to Fs minus 2IF, because here Fs is greater than Fl. If Fl is greater than Fs, then Fs plus 2IF. And Fs is not given. And we know that if Fs is greater than Fl, always down conversion, Fs minus Fl is IF, then Fs value is, students, Fs plus IF, substitute in the above, then what is Fsi equal to Fl plus IF, yeah. Substitute Fs equal to Fl plus IF minus 2IF, then it is Fl minus IF. What is Fl value? 3.5 giga. That is nothing but I can say 3500 mega. IF value given 15 mega. So 3485 mega. So you have to type there 3485. Here the logic is, he told received signal frequency Fs is greater than Fl. So this is the image frequency formula. Most of the students or most of the colleges, they will teach you only one formula. Fsi is Fs plus 2IF, where that Fs is less than Fl. Here he told greater. The amplitude of a sinusoidal carrier is modulated by a single sinusoid. To obtain the amplitude modulated signal, S of t equal to 5 cos 1600 pi t plus 20 cos 1800 pi t plus 5 cos 2000 pi t. The value of modulation index is, it's a straightforward AM expression only. What is the standard expression of AM in that format? ACIM equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT plus AC mu by 2 into cos 2 pi into FC plus FMT plus AC mu by 2 into cos 2 pi into FC minus FMT. This is a standard expression. Compare with the standard expression. Compare means most of the students will make the mistake that first term with first term, second with second, third with third. Wrong. Always. In the given expression, highest value corresponding to USB, lowest value corresponding to LSB, middle value is nothing but a carrier. Like that you have to compare. First compare the carrier. What is AC value? 20. Compare the amplitude of either USB or LSB. USB is AC mu by 2. Its value is they given 5. So mu value is 10 by AC. Already AC value known 20. So 1 by 2. So modulation index is 0.5. You have to type there. Standard expression of AM. That you have to compare. A superheterodyne receiver operates in the frequency range 58 to 68 MHz. Intermediate frequency FIF and the local oscillator frequency FLO are chosen such that FIF less than FLO. It is required that the image frequencies fall outside the 58 to 68 MHz band. Minimum required FIF is. What is saying? We have a super heterodyne receiver which is operating from 58 mega to 68 mega. Choose the minimum value of IF such that images has to come outside that range. Means if you are operating your system super heterodyne receiver at 58 mega, image has to come after 68 or ideally at 68. Or if you are operating at 68, image has to come before that. Means suppose if I take our station is working at 58 mega, then image frequency has to come after 68 mega, ideally or equal to. Then what is the FIF value? What is the image frequency formula? Is Fs plus 2 FIF greater than or equal to 68 mega. Then Fs value minimum we taken here. This you can take or this you can take. If you take this, less than this. If you take this, greater than this. So 58 mega plus 2 FIF greater than or equal to 68 mega. So 2 FIF greater than or equal to 10 mega. So FIF greater than or equal to 5 mega. Greater than or equal to means minimum value itself is 5 mega. So here already he told in megahertz, so 5 we have to type. Simple problem. The unmodulated carrier power in AM transmitter is 5 kilowatt. This carrier is modulated by sinusoidal modulating signal. The percentage of modulation is 50%. So can you calculate PT from there? PT is nothing but PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. PC value is 5k. Mu value is 0.5 because 50% by 2. You will get a 5.625 kilowatts. Fine. Now what he is doing? He reduced the modulation index to 0.4. Then the maximum value of carrier power that can be used without overloading means already system is working at 5.625 without overloading means the total power should not be greater than so it should be less than or equal to PT value max or PT max or PT what you calculated here 5.625. Up to here if you are working no overloading, then what is the maximum value of PC I can take if mu value is 0.4? What is the PT formula? Same PC into 1 plus mu square by 2 should be less than or equal to 5.625k. So PC value less than or equal to 5.625 by 1 plus now mu is reduced to 40%. Then it should be less than or equal to 5.208 kilowatts. So the maximum PC can be permittable up to 5.208. Why PC is increases here, mu value decreases. You should not cross this one because if you cross that, overloading will be given. Simpler problem by changing the mu values calculation. A modulating signal is given by x of t equal to 5 into sine 4 pi 10 cube t minus 10 pi cos 2 pi into 10 cube t is fed to a phase modulator with a phase deviation constant kp is 5 radian per second, full stop. If the carrier frequency is 20k, the instantaneous frequency in kilohertz at t equal to 0.5 millisecond is. He given some message is fed to a phase modulator. What is the general expression for phase modulation? The general expression for phase modulation is, students, AC into cos 2 pi fct plus kp into m of t. What is asking? Instantaneous frequency. Whatever may be the modulated signal, how to calculate Fi? 1 by 2 pi into d by dt of total angle. That is 1 by 2 pi into, what's the total angle here? 2 pi fct plus kp into m of t. That is fc plus 1 by 2 pi into kp into d by dt of m of t. Then Fi equal to Fc plus, in the final you can substitute values, 1 by 2 pi or Kp by 2 pi d by dt of m of t. Differentiate this. M of t in place of m of t given, modulating signal is some x of t. Differentiate. So 5, differentiation of sine is cos 4 pi into 10 cube t minus 10 pi into cos 2 pi into 10 cube t. Are you getting my point or not? Sine differentiation cos. Here only differentiation is the important thing. Into inside value you have to differentiate. So 4 pi into 10 cube d by dt of t1 minus 10 pi into differentiation of cos is minus sine minus minus plus sine 2 pi into 10 cube t into 2 pi into 10 cube. Where he is asking this value at 0.5 milli. Substitute t value 0.5 milli. If you substitute t value 0.5 milli, milli and the cube cancelled, 0.5 into 2, 1, sin pi is 0. So this entire thing will be 0 plus, see, here t value 0.5, 0.5 into 2, 1, milli and 10 cube gone, cos pi is minus 1, minus of minus will become plus, so 10 pi into here t value 0.5, so 2.5s are 2, 2 pi 10 cube that is gone, so 2 pi plus 10 pi, and here what is remaining? Cos of 2 pi plus 10 pi, 12 pi, cos 12 pi is 1, here 4 pi into 10 cube plus 0, so 4 pi into 10 cube. So final value Fi equal to Fc value is given 20k plus Kp value is given 5 by 2 pi into 5 cos of 12 pi value 1 into 4 pi into 10 cube. 2 pi gone. 5 into 5 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 20 70 because both are in kilo only. So 70 kilo H. Here only the thing is this integration, substituting the t value and making the result. Let C of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct, M of t is cos 2 pi fmt. Is given that Fc far greater than 5 fm. Anyhow, this signal C of t plus M of t is applied to a input of a nonlinear device. V naught of t equal to A Vi of t plus B Vi square of t, where A comma B are positive constants. The output of a nonlinear device is passed through an ideal band pass filter with a cutoff frequency Fc, bandwidth 3 FM. To produce an amplitude modulated wave, if it is desired to have a sideband power of AM half of the carrier power. Sideband power means what? PSB value is, students, half of the PC is saying. Just now I given. What is the PSB formula? PC into mu square by T is nothing but 1 by 2 PC. Then what is mu square value? Is nothing but 1. We'll go to the next page. Follow. From that condition, see. So what is the mu square value? Mu square value is 1. So obviously mu value is 1 because modulation index is positive. So indirectly he said modulation index. And he is asking the ratio of A by B. I given any formulas for A by B? Not. Whenever if you don't have any direct formula, what we are calculating, always go with the condition. Condition is mu value 1. Mu is nothing but what? Ka into Am is 1. What is the Ka value in nonlinear? I know. Nonlinear device method or square law modulator method. 2 A1 by A0 into Am. What is A1 and A0, sir? A0 is nothing but multiplication of Vi. A1 is nothing but multiplication of Vi square. If you see the given expression, what is multiplication of Vi? Multiplication of Vi is nothing but A. That is A0 is A. Vi square is A1. A1 is B. Are you getting my point? So substitute the values. And you can also see in the above. M of t is cos 2 pi fmd. So Am value given 1. So substitute those two values there. If you are substituting those two values, 2 into A1 value is B, A0 is A, Am value given 1 is 1. So obviously is asking A by B or B by A? A by B. A by B is nothing but 2. So you can see the option. So option 4 is correct. You have to remember the Ka value as well as new value of AC from the nonlinear device method. What is the new value of AC? That is AC dash is nothing but A1 AC. What is the Ka value? 2 A1 by A0. Consider the following amplitude modulated signal S of t equal to cos 2000 pi t plus 4 cos 2400 pi t plus cos 2800 pi t. Ratio of power of the message signal to the power of the carrier. Here, most of the faculties also giving the wrong answers. Here amplitude modulated signal given, from there they are calculating message, from they are bringing. But the intention of the professor of giving this question not that. Here already given amplitude modulated signal, power in the message means where is the message in amplitude modulated signal? The message in amplitude modulated signal is in sidebands to carrier. That is his intention. PSB value PC into mu square by 2 by PC. So simply you have to calculate mu square by 2. I already given this a standard format of the AM signal. Lowest is corresponding LSB, middle is carrier, upper is USB. So AC value will be 4. AC mu by 2 value nothing is there means 1. Mu value 2 by AC 1 by 2, substitute 1 by 8 means 0.125. A baseband signal M of t shown in figure is phase modulator to generate a PM signal phi of t is cos 2 pi fct plus k m of t. The t on x-axis is millisecond, full stop. If the carrier frequency is 50k, k value 10 pi, then the ratio of minimum instantaneous frequency in kilohertz to maximum instantaneous frequency in kilohertz is dash. First of all, calculate Fi. For any angle modulated signal, what is Fi? 1 by 2 pi d by dt into total angle. What is the total angle? 2 pi fct plus k into m of t. This is nothing but what? So, fc plus k by 2 pi into d by dt of m of t. When Fi value minimum, whenever this value minimum. Whenever Fi value maximum, this is maximum. D by dt means what? Slope. Calculate the slope of this. This is a increasing one and this is the decreasing one. If you see the slope of a increasing one and it is increasing from 0 to 1. So change in x-axis 1, y-axis 2. So slope is nothing but 2 by 1, 1 means milli, so 2 kilo. And what is the slope of a decreasing one? Change in y is to x also 2. So 1 by 1 milli, 2 by 2 milli, that is 1 kilo. Are you getting my point? Decreasing means negative slope, increasing means positive. So what is the Fi minimum value? Fc value how much is given? 50k minus, because negative is there, k value given 10 pi by 2 pi into slope is 1k. Of course negative already taken minus. So if you observe this is a 10 pi, 5 kilo, 50 minus 5, 45. What is the Fi max whenever slope is maximum? So 50k plus 10 pi by 2 pi d by dt of m of t, maximum slope is 2k they given. So it will be 60k. Is asking minimum to maximum ratio. 45 by k by 60. This is, you can say, 509, 512. Yes. So 3 by 4.75. Simple question. Calculation of f max and f minimum, Fi minimum and max. But here d by d slope calculation you have to know. Change in y by change in x is called slope. The baseband signal m of t shown in the figure is phase modulated to generate the PM signal. Phi of t equal to cos 2 pi fct plus k m of t. If the carrier frequency fc is 50k and k value 10 pi, k means kp value you need to understand. Then the ratio of minimum instantaneous frequency to maximum instantaneous frequency, I already told. The problems they are asking from the instantaneous frequency only. Anyhow, whatever may be modulated signal given, what is the common formula given for instantaneous frequency? Fi equal to 1 by 2 pi d by dt of total angle of any angle modulated signal. So Fi equal to, differentiate, substitute this value, 2 pi fcd, theta I of t means total angle, students, total value inside the bracket. Substitute 2 pi fct, 2 pi gone, fc constant outside, d by dt of t is 1 plus k 1 by 2 pi constants right outside, d by dt of m of t. D by dt means what? Differentiation means slope. When you will get this value is maximum, whenever slope is maximum, whenever this is minimum, whenever slope is minimum. Let's calculate the max value. What is the fc value given? See the problem. 50k, k value given 10 pi divided by 2 pi. I am taking the maximum slope. Maximum slope means positive slope. So it is increasing from 0 to 1 decreasing from 1 to 3. 3 to 4 increasing, 4 to 6 decreasing. Try to understand. What is the slope, sir? Change in y by change in x. Change in y is 2, change in x is 1, but he given milli. So 2 by milli means 2 kilo. Milli comes in the numerator. Then this will be 5. 5 2s are 10. 50 plus 10, it will be 60k. What is F minimum, sir? Fc minus negative slope, we have to take minimum one. Decreasing one from 1 to 3c. Change in y is same 2. Change in x also 2 here. 2 by 2, 1. 1 divided by milli means 1 kilo. So this value is 50k minus 10 pi by 2 pi into 1k. Then you will get 45k. And this is a filling the blanks type of question. What is asking? Minimum to maximum is asking. So 45k by 60k, then it will be 0.75. Just like 3 by 4, 0.75. You round off to 2 decimal, s 0.75 we got, that we need to type. So the problem, whatever may be asking on the instantaneous frequency, this is the common formula for that. Calculation of Fi. 1 by 2 pi into d by dt of total angle of any angle modulated signal. Got the point? See the another problem from GATE 2020 in analog communication. For the modulated signal x of t equal to m of t cos omega ct, the message signal m of t also given 4 cos 1000 pi t, and a carrier fc frequency given 1 mega. The signal is passed through a demodulator shown in the figure. If you see the figure, what is that? Multiplier followed by low pass filter. Multiplier followed by low pass filter is synchronous detector. The output y of t of a demodulator having synchronous detector having a phase difference. Can I write directly output? M of t into cos phi. Of course, 1 by 2 m of t into cos phi. Have you got my point or not? Anyhow, if you want, I will do. Simple. First see what is the multiplier output. Simple, try to understand. Don't write blind things, lengthy expressions on the space where they given for the rough work, and try to confuse yourself, try to waste yourself. Time wasting is an unnecessary thing. Try to see how. What is the multiplier possibility? What is the multiplier? This into this. This into this. Follow. Cos A into cos B. Of course, m of t outside. Cos A plus B, cos A minus B. What is A plus B? Fc plus Fc, 2Fc means 2 mega. But it is passing only up to 512 hedges. That is gone. Next term, A minus B. Fc gone, 40 less than 510 passed. So directly I can say that. I can say here, what is the possibilities? Fc, A plus B term, no need of writing. 1 by 2, A minus B term is 1 by 2 m of t into cos 40, of course, 2 pi 40 t is the thing. M of t also given. What is that value? 4 cos 1000 pi t. So if you substitute 4 by 2, so 2 cos 2 pi into 500 t, because 1000 pi I written 2 pi into for simplicity, into cos 2 pi into 40 t. One more time, 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. A plus B means 500 plus 40, 540, but allowing up to 510 only. Gone. Last, LPF output, A minus B term, that is cos 2 pi into 460. So now you can see the options. Now if you are able to see the options, he given generally students will feel at 460 2 pi, but he given only pi. So the 2 multiplied, so it will be 920. So directly I'm saying 460, yes, came 460. Right? Directly go for option A. Try to say always option A is a trap. Cleanly observe that. 2 pi into 460 given, okay, but 460 pi given, so 920. Option B. See how simple you can solve it. You can do the calculations in the mind itself. Cos A plus B, A minus B, that's the basic things.